Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 and I'm gonna show you a few tricks you can use on this watch. First I'm gonna show you how to use and customize the button shortcuts on your watch. By default you have three shortcuts. You have long press the upper button, which opens the, I believe, assistant by default, and double press, which brings you to the previously used app. Basically, if you open some application and then you press the home button, it will not close it completely. Basically, it will go to the background, and then you can double press the button to go back between two apps, recently opened apps. And the lower button goes back by default. So if you're in some kind of menu, you can basically go back one page, but you can also change it to something else. So now I'm gonna show you how to customize the shortcuts. To do it, open the menu, tap on the settings icon, find the option called buttons and gestures, tap on it, and here we have home button, which is the upper button, and the lower button, which is the back button. And we can customize the shortcuts for them. Double press, and here you have the list of functions or apps you can open with the double press. So find something you like. For example, let's say I want to open the settings. So now if I double press the button, it will open the settings application. Then we have the long press, and you have the specific options. You can't really change it, I believe. So what if I tap on settings here? We have only Google Assistant, yeah. So you can select Digital Assistant, Bixby, or Power Off menu. And then when you press and hold the button, it will perform the action you chose. And then we have the lower button, and this allows you only to select between go to previous screen, so go back, or show recent apps menu. So if you press the button, it will show you the recent apps menu. So select the option you like. And besides the button shortcuts, we have also gestures, and here you can enable them and customize them a bit. And we have double pinch, shake, and knock. Double pinch is basically if you pinch with your thumb and the index finger, I believe it's called. And basically that's how it looks like. You have a preview of it if you scroll down, and you can turn it on, and here you can customize what it does in specific menus and apps. For example, in the music and media controller, it will play pause, or you can go to the next song. On the watch face, you can change what it does. You can enable or disable the secondary action, and then we have next style, next notifications, and stuff like that. So you can customize how the gesture behaves in different applications, and you have calendar alerts, dismiss, and stuff like that. And you can also change to complete. I'm not sure what it does when you change it to complete, but for example, for calendars, we can dismiss them or snooze them, and same for the alarm, I believe, yeah. Next gesture is the shake, and this allows you to decline incoming calls, dismiss alerts, return to the watch face after checking a notification, or discard the extend text while typing. And to perform it, you need to do this, I believe. Yeah. And of course, if you want to use it, you need to turn it on. Same for the double pinch. And the last one is knock, and this allows you to open the specific function, or you can also open specific app. So if you scroll down, you can tap on the settings next to apps. It will open the list of applications, and you can select the application you want to open by performing the knock gesture. Okay, so that's about all for the shortcuts and gestures. Now I'm gonna show you another function, which is open the music controls automatically. And to do that, you need to scroll down and tap on advanced features in settings. And here we have the option called auto launch media controls. And I find it very interesting because what this option does is basically if your watch is paired with a phone and you launch music on that phone, let's say Spotify or something, if this option is enabled, it will automatically open the media controls on your watch, and then you can use your watch to control the music on that phone. If you disable it, it won't. You will need to open the media controls manually. So for me, it would be convenient to use this option, but maybe it's not for you, but I just wanted to mention it just in case. You can also enable the option to show on now bar when media is playing on the phone. And this is, I think, new thing for the Samsung watches. Might be wrong though. But basically, you have this option right here, now bar style. And what this option does is some applications, when you minimize them, and they will appear on the watch face right here in the appearance of icon or icon with the text, depending on what you set right here in this menu. And we have the camera controller, we have media controller, phone, Samsung Health, stopwatch, and stuff like that. You have also other apps like Google Play Store, Maps, and that's about all. I don't know if this list goes bigger, but I don't think so. And let's say, for example, Samsung Health. It's by default it's displayed as icon with text. So if you start some workout, for example, let's open the Samsung Health and start the workout. And you have a workout going, and you minimize it by pressing the upper button. It will appear right here at the bottom with the text, so you will see the countdown, and you can tap on it to go back to the app, basically. Let me actually stop this workout, and now I'm gonna change it to the icon only to show you how it's being displayed when it's set to icon only. Samsung Health, let's set it to icon only. And now if I open the workout, minimize it, it will show you only the icon, but you can also tap on it to go back to the menu, to the workout menu. Okay. So that's how the now bar works basically, and you can customize how it displays applications on it. And unfortunately, you can only customize specific apps like camera, media controller, phone, Samsung Health, stopwatch, timer, and stuff like that. So customize it to your liking, and I believe that's about all. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.